guys, and welcome back to Creative Cakery. Today I'm joined by a very special guest, one of my best friends, Jada.
Hi.
It's been a while since we made another video, and for that I apologize. There's been a few problems, but we're back now, so you can let out a sigh of relief. Today we're making cinnamon rolls, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. 2 cups of warm milk, half a cup of butter, all together. 1 packet of yeast. Let it set for 1 minute. Add 4 cups of flour, then mix it up. Cover it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 3/4 cup of flour. Put flour on a flat surface. Sorry for the background noise, that's just my annoying brother. But put flour on a flat surface and put your dough there. And then roll it in the flour. Take your rolling pin and flatten the dough. It's gonna take a while, but eventually you'll get your dough to be. Melt a stick of butter for a few seconds and then spread it on your dough. Sprinkle your dough with brown sugar. Sprinkle the dough with cinnamon. Now roll up the dough. Cut up the dough. So I put them all in a cupcake mold, but you can put them in any kind of pan you find. And now I'm going to cover it with saran wrap and wait for 30 minutes.
I lost the footage of me taste testing, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover. This is the finished product, and they don't look amazing, but they still taste really good. But that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what we should do next time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!